I am 32 years old, and in my past I crashed my life a lot. I was on the bottom, really on the bottom, and I could manage till 32 years manage my life until regular person's life. I'm so happy that in my middle age I could handle it, and now I can restore this car like my life. It's also almost on the knees, but one day she gonna shine and gonna make a lot of people happy when they gonna see it, because this classic will never die. Now when it's dark I see that actually it was already painted. It was already painted. Without the sun you can see exactly little bit change in the color. Yeah, I was right. And see in here you can see that the color is different. But okay, this is Mercedes W126. This is my old-timer. I get this from my good friend. It's in family or already more than 8 years. And my point is to give to this baby second life. Luckily, technically everything is with car fine. Only visually I need almost completely repainted. Here clear coat is done. Here clear coat is done. On my trunk is clear coat is down. Bumper is going also damaged with the clear coat and with the sun. I like and I love this car so much, because look at this. How you cannot love this? On my channel I will share how I give new fresh look for this car. Everything I will make with my own hands. What I can that I'm gonna make with my own hands. Usually owners from this car are average little bit on age. Last year I painted trunk. This was my first paint work. I did it good. For some reason it was like 60-70% of the quality. This year I already made it rear bumper I painted. Also messed up, clear coat overfluted. My clear coat was crying. That's why I needed to repair it one more time, and I did it. It's not a problem. When you mess something up and then you repair it, it means only that you learn something. All things what is not successful immediately, it doesn't mean you are unsuccessful. It means that you are keep going and you keep trying, and this only builds up your experience up to expertise. From inside also I need to reparate some heat or sun crashes, because of the hot sun the dashboard has a platzung, so a couple of places need to be puttied and in new style painted. Also trim work from the woods what is inside, they are also screaming about the help. Okay.